Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hello, welcome back to my auntie's channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Immediately after the class, please, you try and submit. You're not with the test. Write in any place, write in any place. Okay, good morning. Say your weekend was fine, right? Mine was wonderful. Doctor, escape to school. Is the home around? That's welcome. How is that place? Is it over there? Okay, no worry. Are you for our neighbors now? It's clean. The matter is so from Shakina, it's not even right. And our topic is what? Open. Please, listen. So you will understand what we're doing. When we have something like 4 minus 1 is what? Right? I have something like 100 plus 73 will give me what? Am I right? Now, something like this and something like this. These are called mathematical sentences. This is sentences, okay? These are called what? Mathematical sentences. Now listen. In some cases, some digits might be missing. Why did all this thing? Are you going to do all the things? No. I said that when we have something like 100 plus 70, that is what? It's called mathematical sentences, right? Now, there are some cases why a number might not be given. Some numbers might be missing. You're not listening. You're not listening. There are some cases. It doesn't matter that they put it first. It matters that this is your what? Equal to, I don't know if I'm making sense. You are stood up. Everybody stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Today is what? Jump up. If I say jump, every leg is up. Jump, pump, pump. Jump. 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 Jump 1. Jump 1. Jump 2. Jump 3. Okay. Jump 1. Jump 1. Jump 2. I hope you are now energized, right? Now I say that it doesn't matter where your equal to comes in. What comes in is that you know that equal to means after solving the answer. Is that not it? Yes. So if they want to put it in front, their problem. Put it behind, their problem. Your own problem is to find the correct answer. Am I making sense? Yes. So now, I've taught you about fraction that have the same denominator. So what answer will be here?
1/3.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Please give me a sound clap. No, don't stop yourself. Clap for me. So that is basically what we have to do today. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now listen. Let me check something. I had I think 3 times this week, eh?
Daniel is right.
Who is Daniel? That's the name of the person, animal, place, or thing. Okay, multiplication, division. Okay, good. Now look at what will happen. Where is the class prefect? Who is the class? No, you don't have class prefect.
I don't have a class. Who said that?
Where is good news? Come.
But what happened is class prefect last time?
Who is Chikaima? Chikaima, my name is Come. And good news, come. Share the textbook back. You will have assignments, right?
Yes.
For share. Now, copy the note on the board first.